Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to install Mixpanel on Shopify. So let's get started. First of all, to install Mixpanel, you have to follow these steps. Now, first of all, go to mixpanel.com and sign up for a Mixpanel account. If you don't already have a Mixpanel account, sign up for it. Now go to the Shopify App Store. From the left menu bar, click on the Apps button, or you can also type in the search bar. So after visiting the Shopify store, in the search bar, search for the Mixpanel app, type Mixpanel and hit enter. Now choose the Mixpanel app, browse the results for the official app and select the one shown on screen. Now install the Mixpanel app. Click on the Add App button. After clicking the Add App button, click the Install App button. After successfully installing the app, you will be prompted to log into your Mixpanel account or create a new one if you haven't already. So follow the prompts to authorize Mixpanel to access your Shopify data. This connection will allow Mixpanel to track and analyze data related to your Shopify store. Now once connected, configure the tracking settings and events you want to track in Mixpanel. This step allows you to gather valuable insights into your store's performance and customer behavior. Depending on your preferences, you can also customize various settings within the Mixpanel app to suit your tracking needs. And once everything is set up, Mixpanel will start collecting your data from your Shopify store. Use Mixpanel analytics and reports to gain valuable insights and make data-driven decisions for your business. So that's how you can install Mixpanel on Shopify. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.